We'll guide you through how to add new custom fonts in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC, and so you want to add in a new or a custom font. Perhaps you're working on a project, and for it, you want a custom or new font. Maybe you're working on something like a vintage project, and so you're looking for a vintage font or something like that. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. Make sure it's full guide so you don't go and miss anything. So of course, you've probably gone to the top left and pressed text, then press add text to the left, and you've gone and dragged this in or pressed a plus. And you go and select it in your timeline and come to the right, come to text and basic, and you go through the fonts here. And you're just finding that you haven't got the font you're looking for. So you want to go and add in a custom or a new one. So to go about this, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. So in this case, I'm going to go and use Chrome, but you could use Edge, it doesn't matter. And what we then need to do is go and find the font we want to do this with. So we need to go to a font website. A great one I like to use is called DaFont, and that is dafont.com. So you can come to it. Now you can go and see these different categories at the top, and we can go and start browsing through. So these ones here, these are just the recently added ones. We can go and scroll through them, and I could press all new fonts and I can go and find one I like. So this is quite cool. And you can go and see what it's free for. That's, for example, this is free 100%, so we can use it commercially as well. So I'll press download. Now we need to install it. So you need to go and open up your file explorer, and we can then come to our downloads here, and we're going to come into the folder, double click on it, and then double click on the font file. It will open. We can press install at the top, and it's now installing. I've successfully installed it. Now you could just note the name down as that's the name of the font. This is called Super Kid Pop. I'll come back to CapCut, come back to font, and I can then go and search for it here. Now you're probably going to go and find that it doesn't go and show up, as you can see. So if that is the case, what we need to do is go and restart CapCut. So go and close it like so, and we can then close it again, and then press search again at the bottom, and we can go and open up CapCut again, or use the shortcut, and open up your project again, wait for it to load. We'll then go and select the text. I'll just click over it, select the text, and then we can come to font, and I'm then going to go and type it in again. And as you can see, here it is. I can click on it, and I'm now able to go and use it.